Hey guys, thanks for watching, and now let's discuss what is Ishikawa cause and effect diagram in, or also known as Fishbone Diagram, and how can we create it. Fishbone Diagram, also known as the Ishikawa diagram or cause and effect diagram, is a visual technique for problem solving. It's an effective technique for causal analysis. It aids people in identifying potential causes of a problem. It helps your team to think in a systematic way. By visually sorting possible defect causes and identifying cause and effect relationships, and determining which causes are having the greatest impact on the problem. The Fishbone diagram enables people to address the problem rather than its symptoms. In other words, the cause and effect diagram illustrates the inputs or variables that are potential cause of risk or defect or problem. You have to begin from the problem or defect that you want to assess. By working backward from the problem or defect, you have to ask, how did that happen? Or why did that happen? And these types of questions lead to the inputs to the process or the product that could be potential causes of defects or problems. And you can break each branch of the diagram into limbs and continue to decompose them until you have sufficient detail to identify the source of the problem. You can conduct a cause and effect analysis with a group or on your own, but my recommendation is to make it on a group because working with a small knowledgeable group usually leads to better outcome. Now let's see the steps to create a Fishbone diagram. First of all, we have to define a problem statement. This is actually the outcome or defect you are trying to resolve. And write it in a box. We have to draw an arrow leading into the head, and in this example, we have an employee turnover problem. After, we have to brainstorm categories for potential causes and write them as branches from the arrow or as text boxes, how it's presented in this example. And we have categories such as organizational culture related to employee turnover, we have economy, personal reasons, and so on. After, we need to brainstorm all potential causes and write them under the appropriate category. When you brainstorm, ask your team and yourself why each potential cause happens, and use these suggestions to generate more causes. In our example, it could be benefits and employees want to leave because we have a poor reward system or don't have any benefits at all to be competitive with other companies. And this is exactly the cause can lead to potential leave request of the employee. As you group the causes of the problem, it will become apparent which categories are having the largest effect on the problem. When you have finished brainstorming, try to prioritize these causes by how likely they are to be the cause of the problem and how easy they are to fix, focusing on the causes that are having the greatest effect on the problem. Thanks for watching, guys.